I believe that the information that I'm about to share with you can change your situation. See, in today's society, we're told to go to school, get good grades, go to college, get a degree, and get a good job. But 87% of the world's wealthiest people didn't even get a degree. Success in today's economy is not where you come from, it's not what color you are, it's not where you were born, it's not if you have a degree, and it's not about what job you have. Success is simply the knowledge and information that you have. So why is it that we take opinions on how to become successful from people that have never actually been successful? 5% of our population owns 95% of the world's wealth. That 5% are business owners and investors. For years of searching for a platform where I could be a copycat of successful people's results, I found a platform put together by self-made millionaires on how to tap into making my money work for me instead of me working for my money. Believe it or not, banks actually take your money that you have in a savings account and trade it in the foreign exchange market. Out of the percentage that they profit, the average bank gives you 0.001% return on your money at the end of the year. They're making money off of your money, so why not put your money in an account where you can see growth on a daily basis? Up until about 15-20 years ago, banks, hedge funds, governments were the only ones really utilizing the foreign exchange markets. Now, it's open to the public, and with technology, all you need is a smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection to be able to tap into this market and make money online. iMarketsLive runs off of a simple concept: earn while you learn. How's it done? First, iMarketsLive has an automation tool to make your money grow. You connect your account with our high technology software where professional traders make your money grow hands-free while you sleep, while you work, while you spend time with your family. We have 15 different traders that range from 5% ROI to 30% return on your investment monthly. For example, one of our traders did 20% ROI this past month. If you had a $1,000 account with 20% return on your investment, you would have profited an extra $200 hands-free automated. You also have the ability to connect to multiple traders and diversify your return. Most of you are probably here to have money working in your favor. Now, as we all know, the foreign exchange market and the stock market are very lucrative income streams. Our traders have 100+ years of combined experience all at our disposal. Here's how easy it is. Market experts provide us with trade alerts. Well, how does this work? With each trade alert sent to our app, with the currency pair that we are going to trade, all the market analysis done for you. They will show you what it is you're trading, why you're trading it, and how to trade it. All you have to do is copy, paste, and profit. The signals average about 500 pips a month. Breaking that down, if you had a $100 account trading at a 0.02 lot size, that would be an extra $100 a month trading. If you had a $500 account with a 0.05 lot size, that would be an extra $250 a month copying our signals. If you had a $1,000 account and you were trading a 0.10 lot size, that would be an extra $500 a month in profit. Not only do the market experts provide us with the trade alerts, but they provide us with the calls, videos, and education you need to learn to trade on your own. iMarketsLive has an education course, beginner to advanced. Our traders have gone through all the trial and tribulations in the markets, have mastered them, and are able to show you, the newest person, how to come in and follow a step-by-step process to becoming a trader. Not only do you get to follow the footsteps of experienced traders, but our traders do 55 hours a week of live education where you can bring questions and speak with traders. And the very best part, you will get to trade with the traders and take all of their profitable trades. Our CEO has created the Harmonic Scanner, a robot that scans every parent currency in the markets 24 hours a day, all at the same exact time. It's your eyes on the markets that gives you high probability setups with over 80% accuracy. If you're an advanced trader, you can come join our trade community and work with our expert traders. I have yet to find the person that has said no to this, because we are teaching you how to put your money to work for you. Think of it like this. In school, you spend hours upon hours studying for a test, to take the test in hopes that you pass. Well, with this company, you gain the knowledge upon test date. The teacher approaches you and hands you the answers. Most people see this as an amazing opportunity. I see it more of a financial IQ test. We show you the numbers, we give you the facts, and it's up to you to decide whether you're in or you're out. If you're not yet convinced, let's go ahead and show you some numbers. In our very transparent back office, you can review all of our previous trades, all the wins and the losses. In the past 3 months, we have caught over 1,500 pips on a $1,000 account size, trading a 10-cent lot size. That's an average of an extra $500 a month over the last 3 months. And that's with only one of our products. Which brings us to the next part. How much would it cost you to be part of an opportunity like this? To be completely honest, there are tons of opportunities out there that cost anywhere from $500 to thousands of dollars, and they don't even provide the value that we do. So here's the crazy part. iMarketsLive subscription allows you to get access to our education pack for $195 your first month and $145 every month after, giving you access to our education, live webinars, and the harmonic scanner. If you're looking to utilize the hands-free automation and signals along with the education webinars and harmonic scanner, it's $235 your first month and $185 every month after. Now, I know what you're thinking. It just can't get any better. Well, I'm here to tell you that it actually does. You can come in as a customer and let your money work for you and have fun. See, the person that sent you here, what they've decided to do is share the vision and concept with the world. Naturally, when someone sees value in a product or service, they're gonna go out and share it with the world, with word of mouth advertising. Our founders solved one problem, helping others leverage their current income, taking money and making more money with it. Originally, they saw a way for others to have more, do more, and be able to help others in the process. Very few have a financial plan, but our founders have a vision to bring Forex from Wall Street to Main Street and empower people to do what say just isn't possible. I want you to ask yourself, if I were to continue doing what I'm doing now, 5 years from now, what would my life be like? You see, this is your chance to have a better life by making some extra part-time or full-time income. To simply use a service that helps other people make money should be no problem to share with others. See, most people, when they get started, they have 2 to 5 loved ones in their life that are looking for some extra income or even a better way. So iMarketsLive has created a program called 2 and Free. If you bring 2 customers into this opportunity, your monthly membership is waived every single month. A free membership, and you get to use all the products that make you money. And if you decide to share this with more than 2 people, you have the potential to create residual income. We have residual bills, so why not have residual income? You can generate an extra $600,000 to $500,000 a month by sharing this with others. The best part, you don't do it alone. When your friends share this with others, it generates you more residual income. That's our program. Now, trust me, you can try and find something like this, but you won't find anything else like our program. I mean, to have a product that generates people income without having to do any recruiting. That's hands down the best deal. And the person that invited you to this video, well, they're definitely not going to be stopping here. They're going to continue to share the value with thousands just like you. So here's the thing. If you don't lock in your spot today and the next person does, well, just because you waited, you can be losing out on an opportunity to have that person placed below you in your team. Procrastination is the assassin of opportunity. If you feel like this is for you, even just a little bit, then get back to the person that invited you here and find out how you can get locked in immediately. You can be at the right place at the right time But if you don't take advantage of the moment, it's like that moment never existed. So here's the question. And yes, it may seem like a very direct question. Yes, it's a question out of love. All we're looking for here today is a yes or a no. No ifs, ands, buts, or maybes, because, well, none of that really matters. We're only going to show you this information once, and after the first time, we'll move on. So here it is, the question we've all been waiting for. Do you see an opportunity for yourself here? Yes? Well, welcome to the team. Get back to the person that sent you here so we can get you plugged into our Facebook chats and groups where you'll be showered with loves and welcomes. Ask any questions and get plugged into all of our updates, all for your benefit. Remember, the work you put in is the work you get out. So let's get this going. Let's position you in an area to have success in your life, and I'll see you at the top and at the beaches of the world.